starting from the weekly, and I will actually analyze first what's going on in this market and how this market has been behaving, what this market is trading. So on the larger time frame here, and this is the weekly, this market has been supported by smart money on the larger time frame at this weekly area. And you will remember back in in 2015, if you were following me, but also most recently during the FX rate Tokyo Open show, we spoke about this a lot of time. So you can see there was participation, 63.75, retested, smart money re-entered in this market and is pushing this price higher. Where this market is going? Well, this market is in the process of retesting the trend continuation area. We didn't get there, market get close to it. Some platforms have showed this test price that confirmed this test. To me, this is not yet confirmed. Now, when we look at how algorithms have behaved on the daily, weekly, daily here, this may be a monthly level, the 63.75, which we knew before the fact, by the way, before it was tested back in September last year, again in January this year. So, as you can see here, when we drill down and we look at how Algos and smart money is looking at this market, there is a participation at 66.99 or 67, which broke price into the first target. And those who follow me know that we looked at the next measure move here from lows to highs. And the high is the first one here, it's not the second one. After the price as it first started and came back, retraced back. So as you can see, this larger move, which is brought about by Algos here, with which participation at 60-75 is actually being divided or split in smaller moves on the smaller time frame. So the market came to test the 69.80 area, again 82, again once in July, and then again at the end of July, beginning and end of July. And as you can see, the market went into that first target, and that's the reason why we got that profit taking. So is this profit taking because the trend continuation area is already in place? No. No. To me, that area is not yet in play, and that is going to push price lower. So if the market continues lower here, no, not at the moment is actually moving higher, but has not tested this area. So there was no participation from Algos yet. Means that this market could potentially come back still and test the 72.20. If that happens, we're going to test. I'm going to test using the FibStalker timing procedure, which is a proprietary procedure that I use to test whether there is participation in these areas. All right. So that's what's happening at the moment. And when we look at the daily here, the last measured move I showed here was also aligned with the participation of dump money, because dump money actually tends to buy these values areas. So whenever we have a value area that aligns with Algos, then it becomes a higher probability trade, and you wanna be there and try to trade this market higher. So what's happening in this market and how we're going to take opportunities in this market is, if the 72.19 is tested, this area here between 72.19 and 71.56, notice that this is again a value area, and dump money might get into this market. So if this market continue lower, right, then you want to look for longs in that area. Why? Because the stronger participation from weekly shorts is not in the market yet, and daily Algos are also pushing this price lower from the test that we had a few days back this week. That was the 20th. Actually, was yesterday. This is today's bar, and we're already seeing Friday bar here being formed. So As you can see, this potential participation from short has the potential to bring price all the way into that value area, weekly value area there, and that we could see a continuation higher. All right, so this is the key for you to trade this market. If this market, on the other hand, does not come back to that area and continues right away into this larger area of resistance here, mind that this would be an extended market that could fail, and the failure can be analyzed on a larger time frame and on a smaller time using the FibStalker timing technique. Okay, if you have any questions, you can send an email to me. And this concludes the analysis of the New Zealand dollar US dollar.